In this video, I will show you how to add reviews to your Shopify homepage. So for this, we are going to use an app. Now it kind of depends on what type of reviews you want to add, but if you head over to apps right here and then click all recommended apps, you can then click Shopify App Store. And now if you want to add, for example, AliExpress reviews, that's possible. If you want to add Temu reviews, that's possible. If you want to add your own reviews, that's also possible. And here's how you can do it. If you search for reviews, there's this app right here called Judge.me Product Reviews, 5 stars out of 5 with 27,000 reviews. Now this is my favorite app, it's also free. And you also have a couple more ones that you can check out right here, but personally I like this one, so I'll take this one. And now here you will see some examples, so you can create custom templates. You can display the reviews on your site in different ways, and here's how you can just use this. So click install, then go and click on install again, and that will take you to the onboarding right here. Now here you can choose your language and where would you like to install it, so just choose your current theme and then click start setup. Now here you need to first enable the app embed, so that will take you right here. And from here you just want to go and turn the Judge.me app on right here and then click save. Then go back here and click next step. Then click install review widget. Now here you will see the review widget under apps. So now we have this review widget right here, but this right here is my product page. So if I want to head over to my homepage, I can click homepage. And now when I click add section and then click apps, you will now see review widget and all of these other ones from Judge.me. Now if you click on add block right here, you can then click apps and then you can choose one of these. So for example, I'll do a reviews carousel. And now here you will see the reviews. However, I don't have any reviews yet right here. So then what you can do is click save and then click manage app right here. Now from here, you want to go ahead and actually add in the reviews. So click manage reviews and then click on import and export. So you want to import reviews, and the way you can do this is through an app right here. You can do it from AliExpress, you can import them manually, and there's a bunch of ways to do this, but just go and import reviews from wherever you want. You can also import from Google, just go and click import and import those reviews. Now here in widgets, you can actually see what these look like. So you have the star rating badge, you have some questions and answers, you have an all reviews page, a reviews carousel, and I personally would add this one to your homepage. So if you click manage right here, you can then choose what it looks like and the colors and stuff like that, and then you can just add this to your homepage. So now you know how to add reviews to your homepage. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, we'll see you in the next video.